how to add or create a new event on your Outlook. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In this video I'm gonna show you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you need to go and open your Outlook, and after this you should go to your here new mail. As you see this icon, click on it and click new event. Click like this, and now for example you will choose the title, the people that you wanna add, for example the time zone, location, description, and if it is provided or not, and you will just come here and click OK, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.